Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. We're making pancake muffins, and this is everything you're going to need. You're going to need a muffin pan, a bowl, some vanilla extract, half a cup of syrup, any kind will do, 3/4 cup of milk, an egg, some Pam for the pan, a package of Bisquick pancake mix, and then for the stir-ins, I was doing ground cinnamon and sugar and some mini chocolate chips, but you can do whichever you want. Some people do, cheese and sausage and bacon and mushroom, blueberries, strawberries. It just depends on preference. I just chose to go on more of the sweeter side of things. So I chose chocolate chips and cinnamon sugar. So that is everything you're going to need. Alright, so I just mixed in the Bisquick mix and then also the milk and the 1 egg I added in, and then you just want to add in the half cup of maple syrup to your mixture. And you can do more or less, it just really depends on how sweet you want it, but I like half cup. And then you are also going to put in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you're just going to mix that up thoroughly until most of the chunks are gone. Just make it nice and smooth. And then pour the whole mixture into your pan as evenly as possible. I did mine about half full for each, and they made pretty good sized muffins. And then you just add in your stir-ins, your mix-ins. So I just put cinnamon sugar on half of them and then the mini chocolate chips on the other half. And these is how they turned out. They turned out really, really good. They were super delicious. Kellen loved them. Even Ashton loved them, and that's saying something. So you just bake these at 350 degrees for, I did 22 minutes. It just depends on how hot your oven is, but it should be pretty much the same for everybody. And I just topped it off with a little more cinnamon on the cinnamon sugar ones, and then I just put a little bit of powdered sugar on the mini chocolate chip ones. And to just store these, you can put them in just a ziplock bag and just keep them airtight, and you can just put them in the fridge and then warm them up in the microwave for about 10 seconds and you'll be good.